Skunky. Okay, I'm getting a little nervous. Not gonna lie. Hello. Hello, Peppy Le Pew. Please don't skunk me. I'd be smelling like that for years, huh? Hey. Oh, you're a big fella. You look kind of tiny. Hello. Oh, it's so cute. Look at you go. And it's taking the... Let me see if I can zoom in. Sorry for shaking. You kind of startled me. I'm like, all right. Stop shaking, Caitlin. It's cold too. And that's where the duck is. It's wiggling just a little butt. And it's going in, and the white thing is its tail. Man, it's not gonna let me get to it. That thing right there, let me see if I can zoom in. No, it's as zoomed as it gets. There it goes. That's the duck. Poor ducky duckles. I just want to grab the body so that way I can bury it. Well, it's not afraid, that's for sure. I got the barrel right here, so I can use this. Put the body on. Any skunkers? No? Okay. Put that right here. Oh, wait. Gush or anything's there. Alright, let me see if I can do this. Be brave, Caitlin. Be brave. Just gotta grab the duck. Just grabbing it. Please don't hurt me. I'm very... Okay, Mr. Duck. Oh, goodness. Oh my God. Oh, don't hurt me. See, anytime I grab it, it's like, no, this is my food. Yeah, you're right, Shane. It's definitely... Oh, look at him go. He's like, this is my food. My food. I guess it's getting ready for winter. Well, I wasn't kidding. That duck is owned. I gotta get it out, though. Oh, great. When the hell did that hole even begin? There's his little nose. It's like peering. Come on, Mr. Skunk. Hi, I see you in your little head. Stop shaking, Caitlin. Come on, Skunky. Oh, poor ducky. It just won't let me take the duck. Maybe if I get a trap. If I could find the trap. Yes, I see you, skunkers. You're right there. Damn, it won't let me take the body. What the hell? Okay, let's see. Oh, FYI. Underneath the barrel where I got it, the girls have been laying eggs here. Underneath the bush. Next to the port. Pretty eggs. That one's a biggie. Oh. That one's big. I'll get a bowl for that. I gotta get rid of the skunk. My chickens are all the way over there. That's why they're over there. Great. Just gotta... But if I grab the body, then it's gonna try to get my other chickens. Hello. I see you. You're like, this is my body. Trying to figure out. Okay, what if I don't know, get a box and put it on top or something? Let's see, could it fit its way behind the back? I don't think so, maybe. Oh, okay. Let me see if I can find a trap over here. I gotta throw that away. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. If something else happens, I will record it.